Hello and welcome to All-in-One Theme. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage the articles that are being pulled into your WordPress site. So what we're going to do first is we're going to go over and look at where we had last searched. And that is, we did a search for how to. We sucked in a number of articles and then it created the post for those articles. Now there's a couple of things we can do from here. One thing you'll notice right over here, it says article log. If you want to see what's been scheduled, because maybe you've actually collected a lot of articles that are scheduled to be posted over time, please make sure that you're aware of the EasyMarks Terms of Services, which limits the number of articles that you can include on your site. Please make sure you're familiar with that. But if you want to see what's pending on your site, you can click on this article log, and here they are. You can see that it lists all the articles that it's included on your site and what's the publish date. And here's what's also very interesting with this. See right here it says post status. It tells you what search term you had used to include it with, and then what its status. This one's published, and these are all to be published in the future. Of course, we have the dates listed as well. The name on it, you can click through and see it and so forth. Now it's important for you to see this log because now in this example there's what, I don't know, 10 or something like that, but over time if you have a lot of these scheduled to go and you'd like to know what type of search terms that you're using to suck in your articles, this is a great way to do it. So let me just show you another interesting thing, and that is if we want to search for something else. And this is what's really cool. Let's just do another search for how to again. Right? We'll do another search. Now you might recall from the other video that one of the very first search results that were returned was the how to salsa, which actually we ended up creating an article for. Right? That was our very first thing. Now if you look here, we don't have that one. Right? Because what happens is that whenever it received that article before, it saved the identifier for that article to the database so it knows not to pull that one again. Now what it's doing is it's making sure that it only returns ones that we have not published or are pending publishing. So that's why you see some of the same ones, but they're ones I didn't check before. So we could go through here and check these. It's a way you could just keep searching and searching and pulling in more and more and more, and it's not going to keep giving you the same results over and over and over if you already have it set to be published on your site. Now once you've decided which ones you want to include on your site, you would just follow the same exact process. You can post in the same category that you did before. You can use the time or whatever it is, and this posting schedule will operate independently of any other posting schedules that you've created. And like I said, at any point in time you could go to that article log and manage the articles that you have pending to be published. So I wanted to make sure you understood that it's very easy to add additional articles to the posting process, number one, that you could see how you can manage the articles that are waiting to be published, and that if you search for the same term over and over and over, you're not going to keep getting the same articles that you've already published to your site. So I hope you'd enjoy this video. I hope to see you inside our members area, and I look for you in our other videos. Thanks a lot.